Hey everyone, I want to give you a challenge. I want you to declutter your pantry sometime this weekend. I think a lot of times we have our pantry just kind of be the land of indecisiveness. We don't know if we need it. We don't know what we want to make. We want to have something on hand. And I want to challenge you. Like, how much stuff do you have in your pantry? And there's no judgment. There's no criticism. But, it's a lot. What can we do to release what is in our pantry, right? If we have a pantry full of stuff, one, hopefully we'd be eating a lot more fresh foods. But again, you have basics like flour and beans and things of that nature, of course. But a lot of times we have a lot more of what we need in our pantry than really we're going to use. Or how long have things been sitting there? When are the expiration dates on your cans? I mean, eventually stuff does go bad. So I'm going to encourage you, challenge yourself. What can you declutter from your pantry? If it's still good, get it to a food bank. In May, the U.S. Postal Office does a collection, but lots of food banks out there that can really use some support. So if you have a lot of stuff, and then dig a little deeper. Why do you think you have so much in your pantry? And again, if you bake a lot and you have a lot of flour, but it's when we have a bunch of everything. So let me know below when you're going to declutter your pantry and how it goes. When you clear your clutter, you can create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.